What if I told you that in 2026, the barrier to entry for building wealth is officially zero? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are breaking down the exact blueprint for building wealth from zero in the current digital economy. I'm going to show you how to leverage high-income skills and the latest blockchain tech to go from nothing to a diversified portfolio. Between our research at tokns.fi and the deep dives over at coherencedaddy.com, we've tracked the fastest paths to financial freedom this year. Phase 1, the income engine. You cannot invest if you have nothing to invest. The first step in building wealth from zero is creating a high-income skill. In 2026, this means mastering AI-driven workflows, digital marketing, or blockchain development. Stop trading time for pennies. Start trading specialized value for premiums. Your goal here isn't luxury. It's creating a surplus of capital that we can move into the next phase. Phase 2, entering the TX ecosystem. Once you have your first few $100s, you need a vehicle for exponential growth. That is where the TX ecosystem comes in. Unlike traditional banking, the TX ecosystem allows for seamless integration of assets and social value. We are seeing a massive shift toward decentralized ownership. By participating early in these networks, you aren't just a user, you're a stakeholder. This is the modern version of buying real estate in a neighborhood before the highway gets built. Phase 3, mastering DeFi and compounding. Now we move into the acceleration phase, DeFi. Remember, DeFi is pronounced DeFi. Decentralized finance allows you to put your assets to work through staking and liquidity providing, without a middleman taking a cut. The secret to wealth isn't a single lucky trade. It's the compounding of yield over time. Diversify your holdings between Bitcoin, stablecoins, and emerging utility tokens to manage risk while maximizing upside. Phase 4, the wealth maintenance loop. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. You must transition from a growth mindset to a preservation mindset as your portfolio scales. Continue educating yourself through resources like tokens.fi to stay ahead of market shifts. Avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. The more you keep invested in the TX ecosystem and other assets, the faster you reach total financial independence. Consistency in 2026 beats intensity every single time. First, build a high-income skill to generate seed capital. Second, leverage the TX ecosystem for early-stage growth. Third, use DeFi to compound those gains automatically. Building wealth from zero is no longer about who you know or where you were born. It's about the tools you use and the speed at which you learn. If you're ready to master the digital economy, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if this blueprint gave you a clear path forward. Comment 2026 below if you are committed to building your wealth this year.